Hi, it's Angeline here. How are ya? I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how I created this stencil background. So first I've stamped and colored this brand new set called All That Sparkle by Angie Blom, so I just had to add some sparkle to her bow. And I'm grabbing some distressed oxide inks here in shaded lilac, tumbled glass, and worn lipstick. So you can grab any colors that you want. And I'm also grabbing this special multi-layer stencil set by Newton's Nook Designs, and it's called the Argyle stencil set. So I'm placing that stencil over my card here, and I'm starting off with the light blue, which is the tumbled glass. And I'm just using a makeup blending brush to just color in the entire column with that color. Then I'm moving on to the light pink here, which is worn lipstick, and I'm also carefully just inking around the stamped areas and coloring the entire column again with one color. So having a small blending brush here helps with the trick to get into the tight corners and spaces. And finally, I'm grabbing the light purple here, which is called Shaded Lilac, and I'm coloring the most left and right columns of the card. Now I'm grabbing the second piece of stencil and just lining that up along with the design, and I'm grabbing the twisted citron here, which is a kind of like neon green, and just going all over the stencil. Don't be afraid by this, it kind of looks crazy right now, but you'll see the effect in the end. Once you're done, this is how it looks like. Ta-da! Kind of fun, right? So by using just some stencils and some inks, you could make your own custom unique background for your card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!